professional, commercial and residential cleaning business, Port Lincoln, South Australia. Established in 2014, Just Made It is a well-known and trusted cleaning company with a growing client base and excellent reputation. This independent business cleans businesses, homes, holiday homes, end-of-lease cleans, window cleaning and more. Turning over $380,000 a year, Just Made It has excellent contracts in place with SA Pol and CAA. This sale includes a 2014 Toyota Hiace van with low kilometres, all equipment, stock and a website. Ensuring a high standard of hygiene and professionalism at all times has led to a constant flow of work. This is the perfect opportunity for someone who is not afraid of hard work and would like to run their own business and reap the rewards. There is huge potential to expand this business for the right person, as well as the possibility of setting up in surrounding towns.